Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to fix app crashing or app freezing issue on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other older Pixel devices. In daily routine, when we use the application, sometimes suddenly app keep crashing or suddenly app stop working. If you are facing this type of app related issue, follow these solutions on your device. In this video, I will show you 7 different solutions that will definitely fix your app crashing issue on your Pixel 10 or any other devices, any other Android device also. So first solution is the simple solution. Restart your device. This is the standard solution for the all software bug or small bugs on your any Android device. To restart your Pixel device, long press the power button. But in my case, we use the Gemini when you long press. So if swipe down the notification panel from the top, tap on the power button icon at the bottom right and you can see the power menu option. So tap on the restart to restart your Google Pixel device. And after that, open the application and check is the issue or not. Second solution is the make sure app is updated with the latest version on your Pixel device. To check for that app, open the app drawer, tap on the Play Store, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, tap on the manage apps and device. Here you can find the all apps up to date. If app available update, you can find here. Also, you can check it by tap on the manage, tap on the updates available, and here you can find the list of application update if available on your Pixel device. Third solution is the check for the software update. Sometimes the minor software update or software glitch using the app related issue on your device. So you can check if any software update is available on your Pixel 10 series. To check for the update, go to settings on your device, scroll down up to system, tap on a system, again scroll down, tap on a software updates, tap on a system update, and here you can see the check for update option, tap on it, and it will check for the software update. If available update, update your Pixel 10 series and check if the app crashing or phishing issue or not. Fourth solution is the force stop the application. If suddenly app stop working or suddenly app keep crashing, you can try to force stop that app and after that open it on your device. Let's see with example like we open the app drawer and we long press this application first cry on my device. Long press the application, tap on app info. Now tap on a force stop here at the top. So tap on the force stop. Here you can see if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. Tap on OK. Now force stop the application. Now open that application on your device and check if the app crashing or phishing issue on your device. So this is the fourth solution. If you still facing the issue, try to clear the app cache and data for that application on your device. To clear the app cache or data on your device, long press the application on your app drawer, tap on the app info. Now here you can find the storage and cache option on your device. Tap on it. Here you can see the total cache is 177 MB, 7.84 MB data. So first you need to try clear cache option and you can see the 0. Tap on the clear cache and here you can see the cache 0 byte. It will temporarily remove the this app data on your device. If you clear cache can't work, you need to try to clear data. But remember, clear the data or clear the storage for the app permanently delete that app's data. Means any save password or any login information remove when you try to clear storage for that application. So tap on a clear storage. This app's data include files and settings will be permanently deleted from the device. So tap on the delete option. Tap on a delete option to remove the clear data or storage. After that, you need to go to app drawer and open that application to check fix the app crashing or app suddenly stop working issue or not. If you still facing the issue, you need to use the safe mode that will helpful to check if any third party application causing the issue on your Pixel device or not. So safe mode is very helpful if you know any third party application causing the problem or not on your device. To enter into the safe mode, long press the power button to launch the power menu. But here we set the Gemini, so we use the quick setting tile, swipe down the notification panel from the device, tap on the power button. In the power menu, long press the power up button and you can see reboot to safe mode option. Now tap on a OK to enter your Google Pixel device into safe mode. When you tap on the OK, your Pixel device restart, and you can see the safe mode icon at the bottom left corner at the here. And by default, disable the all third-party application or hide the all downloaded application when you use the safe mode on your device. After enter into the safe mode, check that application is working or not. If that application is working, it means any third-party application causing the issue on your device. It means if safe mode, if you can't find any issue, it means downloaded application causing the issue on your device. So you need to restart your device to exit the safe mode and find that application from the list. So this is the sixth solution, and the last solution. If you still facing the issue after apply all the solution, you need to uninstall the application and reinstall it on your Google Pixel device. To uninstall this application, just long press the application on your device, tap on the app info. Here you can find the uninstall option. Tap on uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Tap on OK to uninstall this application on your device. After uninstall the application, go to the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search button and download that application on your device. And check again, still facing the app related issue, app crashing or freezing issue on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL or other device. So this is the all solution you need to apply to fix the Google Pixel 10 app crashing issue or app freezing issue or suddenly stop app working issue. So which one is the best solution for you if you facing this type of issue? If you have any other solution that will help to fix app related issue, please share with us in the comment section. Thank you for watching this.